What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing tonight? I hope you all had a fantastic day today. We're going to do a little retail rip session tonight, and all these packs came courtesy of John a few weeks ago during mail time. He sent me a box with a shirt and all these packs in here, so we're going to open them up tonight. So we got some clearance 2016 Donruss. We have a whole bunch of the clearance 2018 Score. 6 packs of those. We have 3 packs, 3 hangers of the red, white, and blue Prism. So that's pretty sweet. And then also a blaster box of 2019 Prism. And laser parallels, so this would be the Walmart blaster box. I think the Target one has the what are they? The disco parallels. Oh wait, there's also this. Jeez, I almost forgot. Playoff Fat Pack and a playoff hanger box. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're gonna just be doing some random retail ripping tonight. So once again, thank you, John. Appreciate it, man. It was very nice of you to send this stuff in. Foles, Darnold. I'm pretty sure these ones have like some colored parallels or something in there. I don't remember. Lamar Jackson. Bo Jackson. Galladay, Christian McCaffrey. 1,000 yards rushing, 1,000 yards receiving for Mr. McCaffrey. That's pretty crazy. Oh, there's a David. Got to put that aside. Oh, and followed up by a Breeze. Zach Ertz, Slay, Kittle, Cook, Falk. Okay, green Michael Thomas. So these value packs have some green kickoff inserts. Michael Thomas and Taylor Rapp. And we have a Thunder and Lightning Lawrence and Byron Jones. Stidham Air Command. Hill, Wilson, Devin Bush, Haskins, and Dylan Mitchell. All right, let's stick with playoff. Let's open up this hanger box. Unwrap the hanger box exclusive goal line parallels. And then it also says look for Contenders rookie ticket preview blue autographs. Lots of cards. All right. Eddie George in that old Oilers uni. I like it. Brady. Tomlinson. A lot of these are, well, some of them are ones we had in the other pack. Miles Jack, Curtis Martin, Kelsey. Let's see. Aaron Jones. AP in that Vikings uni. Goodwin, Diggs, Calvin Johnson. Yeah, I like that they put the legends in here too. Warren Sapp, Aeneas Williams, Ricky Williams, Saints, Ricky Williams. All right, so here's the blue goal line. Derek Carr, Josh Oliver, blue goal line. Deontay Johnson, Ty Johnson, Breeze Air Command, Debo rookie wave, Stargazing JJ, Kyler and David Johnson, Thunder and Lightning. Although it's looking like Kyler and Kenyon Drake are the Thunder and Lightning at least towards the end of the season there. Hawkinson, Dak, Darrell Henderson, Knox, Slayton, Williams, Travis Homer, and Mecole Hardman Jr. All right. Well, let's start opening up some of these packs. We got some 2016 Donruss football. Hey, we could get a Michael Thomas rookie. Remember opening a ton of this stuff. Adam Gostis, which is the blue press proof. Blue press proof Sterling Shepard. Rated rookie. Tevin Coleman, blue press proof. He's with the 49ers now. Vanette. Artie Burns. Jimmy Smith. Oh, man. Dorial Green Beckham. Kobe Fleener, Thomas Rawls, press proof. Chris Jones, press proof. Now the Giants. Paul Perkins. Corey Coleman. And DeForest Buckner. All right. Let's hit up some of this score. 2018 score. So score is going to have all the rookies in their college uniform. Jordy, what up, dude? All the rookies are going to be in their college uniform. And 2018, obviously, we're looking for Lamar Jackson. Last year, we would have been really looking for Baker Mayfield, but that kind of... Oh, dude, we got a Jordy Red. Nice. Cool. I'm cool with that. Scorecard Winston. Christian Kirk Red. Color Rush. Brady. Oh, man. Dallas Goedert. Luke Falk. All right, Richie James. 8-man, Kerryon Johnson. This dude. Ishmael and Robert Foster. I like how this guy, he is still this dude. All right. We're gonna go through the base fairly quickly. Otherwise we'll be here all night. All right. You got Ian Thomas, scorecard. Jamie Collins, red. Minka Fitzpatrick, red. He's very, very good. Jimmy J. Peterson. Oh, he had that short time that he was on the... No, he was a short timer on the Saints. They made some cards last year of AP on the Saints, and he was out of there within like a few weeks or something. Watson, Breeze, Celebration. Oh man, I remember that. Jamaican bobsled team. Saquon Barkley, rookie. Sam Darnold, rookie. Hurst, Mike G. Wouldn't be a break without Mike G popping up. Saquon Barkley, rookie. Vander Esch, Prohl, and Ryan Izzo. Okay. Okay, Royce Freeman, scorecard. DeMarco Murray, red. Jared Goff, red color rush. Man, it's crazy. These are last year's cards, and to see how much this has changed. Like Newton's not playing, Mariota's not playing, Gronk is retired. Terod Taylor, no. Geis keeps getting hurt. They don't use Gurley. Oh, I don't know what the deal is with Gurley. It seemed like they weren't using him very much. Ian Thomas, Jackson, DJ Chark, Sony Michel, Sam Darnold, and Jalen Samuels. All right. It's crazy to take a look at that and think that it was just last year. Last year's card, Safarian Jenkins, Duke Johnson. Red scorecard. That was a close game. Or scoreboard, not scorecard. Geis. Another Gurley. Another one of those. Simmie Cobbs Jr., John Kelly, Josh Allen, Marshall, Armstrong, and Averett. Okay, we got 2 score packs left, and then we got some. I'm gonna get this out of here. We got some Prism. I suppose this is kind of like a change up from a normal video schedule. This is kind of random. Higbee, Akram Wadley, red scorecard, Bortles, Calvin Ridley, Chubb, Chark, Sony Michel, Darnold, Samuels, and Duke Dawson. I mean, we've got some good rookies. So I don't know. A couple of Darnolds in that. Haven't seen a Lamar yet, or Baker. This is the last pack of this. So Josh Gordon scorecard. Eli Apple red. Eli red apple. Laletta. Larry Fitz sidelines. Yeah, AB. Jeez, that's crazy. Just last year. Payne. Coy. Let's see. Carlton Davis. Quinn, Cobbs Jr. Simmie Cobbs Jr. Another Josh Allen and Trey Marshall. All right, well that's it for that. Let's do these red, white, and blue packs for Prism. So there's going to be three packs in here plus the red, white, and blue pack. So I can't remember exactly how these go. I think you got like one green Prism, 1 and 2 inserts or something like that. I don't remember exactly. Clowney, Honey Badger, and Tom Brady green. That's not bad at all, dude. That's probably one of the ones you want to get. I can't find my sleeves. Oh, they're there. Definitely one of the ones you want to get if you're talking about a vet. Kiko Alonso, Brait, Tiki Barber, and Jarvis Landry, Brilliance. Cooper, Traquan Smith, Lockett, and rookie Alexander Madison. Maybe that's how it goes. One green, one rookie, and one insert. All right, let's see what the red, white, and blue packs, or pack. James Washington, Eric Ebron, and rookie is Juwan Winfrey. Okay. Allen, Taylor, Patrick Mahomes, Unstoppable, Myles Garrett, Jordan Reed, Olsen, Namath, and Josh Oliver, rookie. If memory serves me correctly, this should be the green. Fuller, Tyrell Williams, and John Ursua, green, rookie. And let's see. I don't want to... Every time I open these, I feel like I give away the good card. So we're not going to do that this time. All right, Kamara. Eddie George, that's cool. And A.J. Brown, nice. Dude, A.J. Brown had a killer season this year. 1,000 yards for a rookie. Dude is big. He's good. He's going to be a good receiver for a long time, I think. All right, final pack of this, and then we have our Prism blaster box that we'll go through. Tucker, Cole, Aitman, and Arakiasin. Oh, is that a green? Adams, Chris Harris Jr. Is it a silver? Jerome Bettis. Oh my gosh, it's a silver Danny Dimes. Holy cow, nice. No way. I just bought one of these for my set too. That I opened last mail time. Oh my goodness. Dude, silver Danny Dimes. What? Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez. Holy cow. That is crazy. That's crazy. That is a crazy pull right there. Wow. Wow. Baker Mayfield, Ryan, Todd Gurley, and Fireworks Devontae Adams. Oh my goodness. Danny Dimes silver. Trey Burton, Von Miller, and Nicole Hardman Jr. Red, white, and blue. Wow, dude. I'm floored at that. That is crazy. Danny Dimes. All right. All right, so let's crack this blaster box. Let's see what happens. Maybe we'll pull something else really sweet. I don't know. Edmonds, Manning, Troy Brown, and oh, nice. Tony Pollard gold blazer. Beautiful. Great looking card. These gold lasers are phenomenal. All right, Darius Geis, Sutton, Philip Lindsay, Brilliance, and Clelin Ferrell. We got another gold in here. White, Ramsey, Brown, and Deshaun Watson. Nice. So a rookie and a hot quarterback. Eifert. Adams. Ooh, we got a silver. Alshon Jeffrey. Wonder if I need it for my set. I hope I do. It's number 51 in the set. Sweet. All right, Dawson Knox. Amari Cooper. Tack McKinley. Arcega Whiteside. Premier jersey. Nice and shiny. Darrell Henderson rookie. And final pack of this retail rip is going to be Barnett, Hunter, Eddie George, and a Russell Wilson gold laser. Dude, that is crazy. The gold lasers in this blaster were really good. Playoff bound quarterbacks and a rookie. Pretty sweet. All right, man. Well, wow, that was nuts. The silver Danny Dimes was definitely the highlight of the entire rip. That is crazy that this came out of that. Crazy. So, all right, guys. Well, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.